Good morning, all of you. We are studying nitrogen assimilation, and we studied in previous lecture how ammonia is assimilated directly to the cellular constituent because the valency of nitrogen in ammonical form is -3, which is equivalent to the cellular nitrogen, and therefore it is not necessary to further oxidize or reduce the form, and directly it will be easily assimilable or incorporated in the cellular constituent. Now we are studying GOGAT system of nitrogen assimilation. The GOGAT, that is the acronym for glutamine oxoglutarate aminotransferase, which is the enzyme catalyzing the nitrogen or this assimilation of the ammonical form. So when ammonical form or ammonia concentration is less, GOGAT system is the major route of assimilation of nitrogen, where two molecules of glutamic acids are formed in the reaction. The enzyme is glutamine oxoglutarate aminotransferase, that is GOGAT. So when concentration of ammonia is very low at that particular stage, the GOGAT system is the major route of assimilation of nitrogen. The glutamine is the amino acid. So glutamine reacts with alpha ketoglutaric acid to produce two molecules of glutamic acid. So glutamine synthase route of synthesizing glutamic acid utilizes ATP. So it is a glutamine synthetase enzyme which is utilizing ATP as an energy source, and with the help of ATP there is a transfer of amino group to alpha ketoglutaric acid, and alpha ketoglutaric acid is converted into glutamic acid, and glutamine itself is also converted into glutamic acid. So in this way two molecules of glutamic acid are formed. Here glutamate dehydrogenase route does not operate here because the ammonical association ammonia concentration is very less, and therefore glutamate dehydrogenase route is not working here. And when ammonia concentration is less, the route of nitrogen assimilation is GOGAT system. So you remember that the GOGAT system operate only when the ammonia concentration is less. So in GOGAT system actually two enzymes are major enzymes catalyzing the reaction: glutamine synthetase and glutamate dehydrogenase. So two enzymes are there, glutamine synthetase and glutamate dehydrogenase. These two enzymes are there in GOGAT system. So these two enzymes catalyze the reaction where two molecules of glutamic acid are formed with the help of ATP. Now the next will be the assimilation of nitrate. We know that the nitrogen is existing in various forms. The nitrogen is present in the form of nitrate, nitrite, gaseous nitrogen and ammonia. So in every form the valency of nitrogen is ranging and it is variable. So in case of nitrate, the valency of nitrogen in the form of nitrate is +5, and when it is present in the form of ammonia, the valency of nitrogen in ammonical form is -3. So ammonical form is easily assimilable, but nitrate form is not easily assimilable, and therefore it is necessary to reduce nitrate to nitrite and ammonia. Then only the nitrate form or the nitrogen will be assimilable. So it is necessary that whenever the nitrogen is present in the form of nitrate, it should be reduced with the help of enzyme nitrate reductase. So nitrate reductase reduce nitrate to nitrite, NO3 to NO2, and then further to ammonia. So nitrite is reduced further to ammonia. So nitrate ion is used by many microorganisms as a source of nitrogen. The valency of nitrogen atom in nitrate is +5, but it is not easily assimilable form of nitrogen. So it is necessary to reduce it to ammonia. So nitrate is reduced to nitrite, and nitrite means NO3 to NO2, and nitrite is reduced to ammonia, NO3 to NO2 and NO2 to ammonia, that is reduction. And when the nitrate is converted to ammonical form, then it is easily assimilable because the valency of nitrogen in ammonical form is -3. So nitrate is reduced to nitrite and then further to ammonia. The nitrate reductase and nitrite reductase, these are the two enzymes catalyzing reduction of nitrate. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा नायट्रेटचं रिडक्शन नायट्राईटमध्ये होतं, ते एन्झाईम कुठलं आहे, नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज. आणि नायट्राईटचं पुन्हा रिडक्शन म्हणजे NO3 टू NO2 आणि NO2 टू NH3 म्हणजे अमोनिया, ही दुसरी रिॲक्शन जी आहे ती कॅटलाइज बाय नायट्राईट रिडक्टेज. पहिलं एन्झाईम आहे नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज आणि दुसरं एन्झाईम आहे नायट्राईट रिडक्टेज. NO3 टू NO2 it is catalyzed by nitrate reductase and NO2 to ammonia catalyzed by nitrite reductase enzyme. In certain bacteria, nitrate acts as a terminal electron acceptor in anaerobic respiration. So here nitrate will be the terminal electron acceptor. We know that in anaerobic respiration oxygen is not available there. Other than oxygen, other components will be electron acceptor. So here nitrate, sulfate, other than oxygen, they are acting as a terminal electron acceptor. So some microorganisms including fungi and algae that use nitrate as a nitrogen source. For example, Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas, in case of Pseudomonas also, the nitrate acts as a source of nitrogen also and it acts as a source of terminal electron acceptor also. Now, how assimilation is there? The process of assimilatory nitrate reduction is mediated by two enzymes, नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज अँड नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज. मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आता NO3 म्हणजे नायट्रेट आहे, नायट्रेटचं कन्वर्जन NO2 मध्ये होतं, ते कुठल्या एन्झाईमने होतं, नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज. आणि NO2 टू अमोनिया ही जी पुन्हा रिॲक्शन आहे रिॲक्शन इट इज कॅटलाइज बाय नायट्राईट रिडक्टेज एन्झाईम. म्हणजे पहिलं एन्झाईम नायट्रेट रिडक्टेज, दुसरं एन्झाईम नायट्राईट रिडक्टेज. So nitrate to nitrite is catalyzed by nitrate reductase enzyme and nitrite to ammonia catalyzed by nitrite reductase enzyme. So assimilatory nitrate reductase from eukaryotes utilizes reduced pyridine nucleotides as source of electron. Reduced pyridine nucleotide म्हणजे NADH. So that is source of electron. So here in assimilatory nitrate reductase system or process from eukaryotic organism, they utilize reduced form of pyridine nucleotide. Pyridine म्हणजे NAD. So NADH acts as electron source. All nitrate reductase enzyme, whether assimilatory or dissimilatory, belong to small group of enzyme that contain molybdenum. So we know that certain metal ions acts as a cofactor. So molybdenum is also cofactor which is denoted by MO. Symbol is MO. So molybdenum is cofactor for reductase enzyme, nitrate reductase enzyme. So here assimilatory or dissimilatory, all nitrate reductase enzyme they contain molybdenum. And during the reduction of nitrate to nitrite, intermediate hydroxyl amine is formed. म्हणजे नायट्राईटचं रिडक्शन अमोनियामध्ये होत असताना आणखीन एक इंटरमिडिएट त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतो, तो कुठला आहे, हायड्रॉक्सिल अमाइन NH2OH. सो दिस फॉर्म इज देअर अँड NH2 फ्रॉम NH2OH अमोनिया इज प्रोड्यूस. नाव वी आर स्टडिंग ॲसिमिलेशन ऑफ मॉलेक्युलर नायट्रोजन. नायट्रोजन वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्ममध्ये असतो, नायट्रेट, नायट्राईट, गॅसियस नायट्रोजन म्हणजे मॉलेक्युलर नायट्रोजन आणि अमोनिया. आपण अमोनियाचं ॲसिमिलेशन बघितलं आणि नायट्रेटचं ॲसिमिलेशन बघितलं. आता गॅसियस नायट्रोजन म्हणजे ॲटमॉस्फेरिक नायट्रोजन कसा ॲसिमिलेट होतो, हाऊ इट इज ऑकरिंग, ॲसिमिलेशन ऑफ मॉलेक्युलर नायट्रोजन. We know that the gaseous nitrogen is fixed by certain bacteria and these bacteria are called as nitrogen fixing bacteria. You know the example of Rhizobium, azotobacter-like organism. These organisms are having ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen because they are having nitrogenase enzyme system and the nitrogenase enzyme is produced by NIF gene, that is the nitrogen fixing gene, due to which nitrogenase enzyme is produced and this enzyme is catalyzing the conversion of gaseous nitrogen to ammonia. म्हणजे नायट्रोजन गॅसियस नायट्रोजन जो आहे त्याची व्हॅलन्सी 0 असते, तर ती -3 होण्यासाठी म्हणजे त्या गॅसियस नायट्रोजनचं पुन्हा रिडक्शन करून अमोनिकल फॉर्म तयार करावा लागतो आणि नायट्रोजन N2 टू NH3 झाल्यानंतर अमोनिया झाल्यानंतर तो ॲसिमिलेबल होतो. सो हिअर ऑल्सो द एन्झाईम रिडक्टेज इज नेसेसरी to convert nitrogen to ammonia. So NIF gene is the gene which is present in nitrogen fixing bacteria, and due to this gene the enzyme will be produced nitrogenase, which is going to reduce the gaseous nitrogen to ammonia, and it is easily assimilable form. So that is the nitrogen fixation. So symbiotic bacteria like Rhizobium, they are fixing nitrogen. Certain non-symbiotic bacteria like Azotobacter, they are also fixing the nitrogen. Although the ability of certain bacteria, both free living and symbiotic, to fix nitrogen has been recognized, so scientist Mortensen and his colleagues established some characteristic features of nitrogen fixing enzyme system. The nitrogen which is present in atmosphere is having valency 0, so it is necessary to reduce it into ammonical form, so that the nitrogen in ammonical form is having valency -3. So reductase enzyme is there, and Mortensen and his colleagues, they discovered certain, and they studied the nitrogen fixing enzyme system, and they studied certain peculiar characters. So it is observed that the nitrogenase enzyme system is very sensitive to oxygen, and this system require ATP. So this system is sensitive to oxygen also, and it is requiring ATP. The nitrogenase enzyme system is composed of two proteins termed as nitrogenase and nitrogenase reductase. In nitrogenase enzyme system मध्ये दोन कंपोनंट्स असतात, एक नायट्रोजनेज आणि दुसरं नायट्रोजन रिडक्टेज. या दोन एन्झाईमनी मिळून ती सिस्टीम बनलेली आहे. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ट्रान्सफर्ड थ्रू अ लो पोटेन्शियल रिडक्टंट आयदर फेरिडॉक्सिन और फ्लेवोडॉक्सिन टू नायट्रोजनेज रिडक्टेज. फेरिडॉक्सिन म्हणजे एफ डी आणि फ्लेवो म्हणजे फ्लेवोप्रोटीन्स. तर म्हणजे आपण फ्लेविन, मोनोन्यूक्लियोटाइड वगैरे जे कंपोनंट्स आपल्याला माहिती आहेत इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्टमधले, ते कंपोनंट्स. तर रिड्यूस किंवा रिडक्टंट फेरिडॉक्सिन किंवा फ्लेवोडॉक्सिनपासून इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रान्सफर केले जातात कुठे, नायट्रोजनकडे, आणि N2 to NH3 कन्वर्जन त्या ठिकाणी होतं. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ट्रान्सफर्ड फ्रॉम रिड्यूस फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लेवोडॉक्सिन और फेरिडॉक्सिन टू molecular nitrogen, and this nitrogen is converted into ammonia. So that is one thing. Due to hydrolysis of ATP, electrons are transferred to nitrogenase, where reduction of N2 and H to NH3 occurs. ATP या ठिकाणी रोल ऑफ ATP हा महत्त्वाचा आहे. ATPचं हायड्रोलायसिस झाल्यानंतर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे बाहेर पडतात, दे आर ट्रान्सफर टू नायट्रोजनेज एन्झाईम, आणि त्या ठिकाणी ट्रान्सफर झाल्यानंतर N2 जो फिक्स झालेला आहे नायट्रोजन, त्याचं रिडक्शन केलं जातं. म्हणजे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ATPकडनं बाहेर पडलेले आहेत, दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर युटिलाइज टू रिड्यूस ॲटमॉस्फेरिक नायट्रोजन टू अमोनिया. म्हणजे N2चं कन्वर्जन म्हणजे रिडक्शन NHमध्ये होणार. NH प्लस H म्हणजे आणखीन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि प्रोटॉन्स NH2 होणार, आणि NH2 प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन अँड प्रोटॉन NH3. म्हणजे सिक्वेन्शियली स्टेप बाय स्टेप N2चं रिडक्शन NH3मध्ये होणार, आणि हा अमोनिकल फॉर्म ॲसिमिलेबल होतो. सो नायट्रोजन फिक्सिंग जीन और NIF जीन इज एक्झिस्टिंग इन सम बॅक्टेरिया ड्यू टू विच gaseous nitrogen is fixed by Rhizobium and Azotobacter. So NIF gene is there, and due to NIF gene, it is possible for the bacteria to fix nitrogen. So Rhizobium, Azotobacter, these are the bacteria which are fixing nitrogen. Other compounds including hydrogen cyanide HCN, methyl cyanide CH3CN, ethylene C2H2. These are also reduced by nitrogenase enzyme system. So during the nitrogen reduction, N2 reduction, simultaneously there is a reduction of HCN, C2H2 also by the nitrogenase enzyme system. So this nitrogen enzyme is also going to reduce HCN, CH3CN, C2H2, etc. So there is a similar, that means in this way there is a concomitant hydrolysis, or you can say hydrolysis of ATP, as well as there is a reduction of this compound, and N2 is converted to ammonia so that it is easily assimilable. Thank you.